Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Tribit FlyBuds free with any Windows PC or laptop. So first of all, just remember to input both earbuds inside the charging case and charge them for like 20 minutes with this USB ports on the front. Also, if you connect them with any other devices, just disconnect them, and then you have to simply open this charging case. And now just wait until this indicator starts blinking just like that. It means that right now we are in the pairing mode, so we are visible for other devices. So keep that case open, put it close to your laptop, to your PC, go for the settings, go for the Bluetooth and devices, then turn on Bluetooth, click to add device, and select Bluetooth. Now just wait a little bit until our earbuds pops on the list. As you can see, they appear at the bottom of the list, so click on them once, and then click connect if you have this request, click done. And at the end, just go for the system sound settings and switch the output and the input device to our FlyBuds. Just right here. There we go. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.